Today I'm here at Bang. It's a small town in Manali, and I'll be hitting the Jogni Waterfall, but I'm not sure honestly if today was the right day to come because it's raining a bit, and seems the cloud seems to be going out a bit, but still rainy. And the river seems to be rising because I think it rained somewhere further up. I'll show you guys. Everything goes well, and either way, today's the only day that I had. Today's the only day that I had to come to both of these waterfalls. One here in Manali. Well, actually, both of them are in Manali. One's in Bang, it's like right behind me, that mountain right there, and the other one is heading towards Kulu. So I'll go to that when I'm going back. But this is what I'm talking about. The river seems to be rising pretty fast, so I think it rained further up. Hopefully I don't get stuck. But either way, we're still doing this, so I will see you when I am at the waterfall. But like always, I might stop at a couple of places along the way to show you something if I see something interesting. The other waterfall that I'm going to is called Bashal Waterfall. Something like that. B-A-R-O-R. Vashisht Waterfall. Yeah. But anyways, I was hoping the rain would stop, but I don't think it is stopping. So I have my umbrella, like always, and I have my jacket in the bag. Luckily, I bought that today. So we'll see how it goes. Looks a little sketchy. Here we go. Wanna get a couple of these just in case I get stuck, so I can have some things to survive on. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you along the way. This is the road going up to the Jogni Waterfall. I was trying to wait for the rain to stop a little, but I don't think it's gonna stop, so might as well just save time and go now. I mean, figured the worst that could happen is I probably get in muddy shoes and wet undies. Not a biggie, right? Sure, it's better on a clearer day when the sun's out, but Google Maps said that the walk is around 9 to 10 minutes, so I just decided to take you along since it's not that long of a walk. But if it does turn out to be longer, then I will just stop and then start again once I'm actually there. I'll just start again once I'm on the top, so then, because I have to figure out which way to go as well and how to get there. But this looks really nice, man. totally out of a movie, bro. I'll put my jacket on before continuing. We are Gucci. We are Gucci now. This looks amazing, man. Can't wait to see the actual waterfall. Oh, you can see it a bit. Oh, this is good. I think this music is from Rajasthan, man. Like, you saw it in a couple of other videos as well. Actually climbing up to the Jogni Waterfall now. Another stop. Oh, the view.
एक मिनट को छाता दे दो, मैं टॉयलेट करके आपको दे दूँगा, 1 मिनट बैठ जाओ आप कुर्सी पे।
किधर है वो?
मैं वैसे ही आड़ में करके आऊँगा थोड़ा। 2 मिनट मारा दे दो। 2 मिनट मारा।
अच्छा,
2 मिनट बैठ जाओ आप यहाँ।
So the guy borrowed my umbrella to go use the washroom. Guess I'll just wait here for a minute or two, and then we'll continue the climb. We are back. Alright. So I was just told that the actual Jogni Waterfall is about an hour hike. So I guess I'm not going to the main one, but let's go to the one nearest. Okay, so this is the actual climb. Now we'll see you guys on top. Peace. We are here. It's getting really foggy up here, so it's hard to see, but still looks absolutely amazing. Check it out, man. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is life, man. This is living. But it was a little clearer. Would have been really nice to see, but even now it looks absolutely gorgeous, man. I can't be complaining. The rocks, the waterfall, the vegetation, absolutely gorgeous, man. And I feel like the rain makes it even better, man. It's just, you're just in it, you know, like you're in the nature. You just get in the whole experience, the full package. The rain, the fog, the waterfall, 100% nature, man. Nature at its finest. Absolutely gorgeous, man. Check it out. Makes me want to just jump right into it. Just, you know. Like, God damn! Woo! I wish I had bought a change that I can just go swim. It was so tempting, man. So tempting. Just look at it, man. You know, places like this, moments like this make you wonder what's important in life, what's life, and how you should be living it, the things that you should be doing, you know, who you should be spending it with. Amazing, man. Absolutely amazing. Definitely the best waterfall that I've ever seen in my life and have been to. Jogni Waterfall in Bang, Manali. 5-star. Yeah, so this is the little fall, and then big fall is up there, but I don't think I'll go today because I met like literally everyone was telling me when I was coming up not to go because it's really slippery and muddy. And oh, it says it right here, the road to the big fall, if you can see it. Right there, big fall. This was definitely worth it. I'll 100% come back to this place sometime in the future and share this moment with someone special. But we'll also be going to the other waterfall, going back towards Kulu, the one that I mentioned beginning of the video. And the little one was definitely worth it, man. It was definitely worth all the mud, wet rain and all of that. I will stop at a couple of places on the way down again. If not, then I'll see you guys in the bus, and then when I get off and go to the other waterfall. Let me just see what it is called. Vashisht Waterfall. I don't think it's gonna be as great as this one, but I wanted to drop by it, so we will drop by it, and I won't have another day. I'll be leaving Kulu in Manali soon, so this is about it. But for sure I'm coming back to this one, man, to go see the big one. I'll definitely bring my chain stand and go for a dip. 100%, 100%, bruv, 100%.